Chris just asked me a great question here. Why would a massage therapist, as an employee, leave their employment at a business and go try to start a private practice? What are the pros of that, right? And I think that there's two pros. I think one, you're going to make more money, and two, you have more control over what you do, technique-wise, right? If you're a massage therapist and you really want to specialize in doing a specific type of technique, like I do neuromuscular work. So if you want to do all of your trigger point therapy and your pin and stretches and your muscle energy techniques and all these specific things, and you really want to step away from kind of the spa format, you want to just do your technique and be really a purist in that technique, you can't really do that at a lot of places because most places of employment, they're going to say, we want you to do the spa, or we want you to do kind of the deep tissue or the lotions and the clothes off. And if you've got a specialty, we welcome that specialty, but we want you to kind of mix it in, right? Like not a lot of places really want you to just do your specialty. They kind of allow it, but they want it to sort of be blended in with other stuff. And at the end of the day, the customer is always right. So kind of just do what makes the customer happy, right? So if you have your own practice, you can do whatever you want. You're fully in control of the massage and the techniques you offer people, right? The other thing is that you're going to make more money. Now, I think that you're going to make more money per hour, right? You can charge prices and you get the full amount of that price. You can really try to keep your expenses really low. You're not going to get paid, usually a lower wage, whatever the spa or places, that you might work are going to pay you. The only trick though is that when it comes to the money, you're probably not going to get tips, right? Because you're getting the full amount. Like people aren't really going to tip you. They're just going to give you whatever you were paid. And so if you want more money, you got to raise higher prices, right? And then you've got to be careful that you're balancing your volume with how much price you're charging. The trick I think for a lot of massage therapists is that they can make pretty good money per hour, but the difficulty comes in getting enough people in the door to actually have the volume so that that can become a full-time income, right? So pros for why you'd leave a business and start your own practice, you can make better money per hour and you can specialize in something you're really interested in. And I think my question for you, Chris, I see a lot of personal trainers out there who either work at gyms or maybe they've got their own practice just renting from a gym. And I think one of the big struggles they see is they go into a place and nobody helps them get their clientele. So my question for you would be, how can a personal trainer market themselves to build their clientele? What are some of your thoughts for that?